everybody, Deepak here again, and today is 23rd of October 2020. I'm stressing this date out because today is a special day for me and for, let's say, another special company, which is Apple. Alright, so I really cannot express how thrilled I am, how I'm so ecstatic to do this unboxing. Alright, so without further ado, let me give you guys a little sneak peek, okay? All right, stay tuned, huh? Stay tuned, okay? All right. Oh, sorry. Check this out, guys. What do I have here? Well, what I have here is iPhone 12 in blue and iPhone 12 Pro in gold. Now we're gonna do unboxing of both of these beautiful iPhone 12, and I really cannot fathom how I'm gonna do this. My words might slip, okay? So it's gonna be totally raw. But before we do unbox, I'm gonna talk about the packaging. Look at this packaging. Now it's become very thin, as you can see it. And as you all know, like, the new packaging doesn't come with the power brick and the earbuds. So it's been thinned out, like, it's very pronounced thinness, all right? So imagine, this was the actual size of iPhone 11 when they launched it. Now, this is iPhone 12. So without further ado, we are going to unbox one at a time. So let's start with none other than iPhone 12. And then we'll have another video unboxing iPhone 12. And let's see the first impression, how it looks like. Alright, so stay tuned and let's begin. Alright folks, here we go, iPhone 12 in a new colorway blue. Without further ado, let's peel the plastic out. It's always satisfying to do this, really. There we go, boom. And then, I'm not gonna show you guys this one yet. No, I have to. Oh my god, we'll talk about this later, alright? So what we have in the packaging is the new Type-C to Lightning cable. Now it's gonna be a fast charge. It can, let's say, you can use up to 20 watts of power brick. And as a paperwork, they have a SIM tray opener and one Apple sticker and some of the paperwork which we rarely care about. Alright, so this is it. That is a simple unboxing, but here it is. Oh man, I cannot really believe it. This is I'm holding iPhone 12. Today is 23rd of October. Imagine that. Alright, so let me pull it out. Oh my goodness, that is so satisfying. Alright, so the basic of the design, from front and back, it is significantly not much different to what the iPhone 11 looks like. But as you go at the side, as you see the SIM around the edges, it's been like a little bit, let's say, flattened out. And the good thing is now you can stand actually your phone. Let me try. Look at that. It never happened this before. So now the thing is, at the side it is matte finish here, and they have improved a software for the cameras. But check this color out. It is amazing. Now I do have iPhone 11 product red, but this one is blue, and it looks fantastic, really. I might as well have a blue when I buy this 12. Alright. No, I'm just kidding. Nothing. It's not gonna happen. I'm just like, I don't know. I'm lost for words, really. So it is amazing. It looks brilliant. But it's a sad thing that they don't have a power brick and a earbuds. But that's a statement from Apple to have some environmental, what do you call that? to have a less environmental impact. So that's it, folks. And thank you so much and stay tuned. Cheers.